Good day, Mom. Today we will discuss our assigned topic, uh, which is administrative strategies to support multi-grade school. And there are two parts in this topic. These are making use of alternative resources and scheduling schemes. So it is obvious that a combined class of students differs a lot from the conventional type of students. So class of a single grade, that means that the way of the students of the multi-grade class should be taught must be different as well. So it is true that the function of the teachers in the multi-grade classrooms is multidimensional, or to be more accurate, so it is much more complicated and demanding than the role of the teacher in the in the monograde school, respectively. So, making use of alternative resources. So, making use of alternative resources. So, in this is the main subject of the MUSE, or multi-grade school education. So, a training program like the MUSA project, which represent an effort to address the specialized needs of the multi-grade school teachers. So, for children to learn effectively in the multi-grade environments, teachers need to be well-trained, well-resourced, and hold positive attitude to multi-grade teaching. Multi-grade teaching in many views represent a more demanding teaching situation, and special attention should be given to if however many teachers in multi-grade environment are either untrained or trained. So in monograde pedagogy have few teaching and learning resources. So in addition, of the majority of the cases, the multi-grade teachers are very young without significant experience. So these teachers are left alone without resources and support to handle the demanding multi-grade classes. So the former has serious negative impact on the teacher's psychology and attitudes toward the multi-grade class, and the facts in a negative way their teaching performance. um, the effort should be focused by the educational authorities to reverse the teacher's negative view for multi-grade teachings and rural school and provide them with the resources and support to be able to overcome the difficulties. So next, determine the answers to the questions. So So to help listener problems in how to make an effective multi-grade lesson plan for each grade level for which the teacher is responsible, he or she must determine the answers to the questions. Whom do I teach? What must I teach? How do I teach? When do I teach? And why do I teach? So this does only analyze and assess each learner's prior knowledge, so it is also can let us know how we should uh, teach them in a way that they can understand once this question have been answered. So only then we can um, devise a lesson plan that will suit the needs of our learners. So integrated approaches assumes that multiple resources will be used by students during the course of the lesson. So textbook will be one of these resources. So, but this will be supplemented by a variety of additional print, audio, visual, and community and human resources. field trips, community speakers, videos, library books, or kind of newspapers and magazines may use as resources if available in rural or remote areas. So learning how to use a variety of resources to find information is one of the intended learning outcomes of the integrated learning.